Hello and welcome to this new video series on Copilot in Dynamics 365 customer service. In the next few videos, we will be focusing more about different capabilities of Copilot in customer service model. In this video, we will be focusing on Copilot case summary, which is one of the capabilities available in Copilot customer service. Here we will see how to enable this feature and then how to manage the data fields for Copilot case summary, and then we will see how to manage the summary display format of case summary. Let's get into this video. To enable this Copilot case summary, we need to go to Copilot Service Admin Center, and from here we need to go to Productivity, Summaries, and then we need to click on Manage. Then we will get this summaries page. In this environment, the case summary is already enabled. In case if it is not enabled, you can enable it from here. Before we see this in action, I just want to highlight one point. Before we generate or before Copilot generate any case summary, the particular case record and its fields should have at least 38 English words, so that the Copilot will be able to generate the summaries. If it is less than 38 English words, then Copilot will not generate the case summary. To check this feature, I am in Copilot Service Workspace app, and then I have gone to this case view page. From here, I will open one of the case record, and here you can see the Copilot case summary widget. And this summary, the Copilot summary, is based on the field values of case record. Currently, it is generating the summary based on title, customer, subject, and description, and some other fields also. And from this widget, the customer service agent can copy this summary and they can paste it in their chat, or they can paste it in their notepad wherever required. And then at the top also we have this summary widget. In case if the customer service agent wants to see the summary at the top, he can just expand this bar. The same case summary will be shown at the top of the case form. Now we will take a scenario where the customer service agent needs to see this follow up by and resolve by values also in the case summary. Currently it's not showing the details of follow up by and resolve by dates in the summary, but in case if the customer service agent or the organization wants to see the follow up by and resolve by dates in customer uh, case summary, then we need to enable these two fields in the case summary page. Now we will see how to enable the additional fields for summary. Now I am back to the same productivity summaries page, and here we have this manage data button. So if I click on it, it will show a 4-step process. I will not make any change in the step 1, but in step 2 we need to add the additional required fields that we needed for summary. And here at the bottom we have this add data button. By clicking on this, we can add additional data fields. And while doing this process, we will be getting two options. One is selecting the field from one-to-one relationship and selecting the fields from one-to-many relationship. So what it means is, under one-to-one, we can select the fields from case table, and then we can select the fields which are related to the lookup fields available in case record. And then in one-to-many relationship, we can select the fields from the child table records of case record. And here we have some limitations. In one-to-one, we can have a maximum of 10 selections, and in one to many we can have a maximum of 6 selections. We cannot have more than 16 selections for these data fields. And now I will follow the process and I will add these two required fields, followed by and resolved by. And then we need to give some description so that Copilot will understand this field and it will be helpful for Copilot to generate the summary. And then we can skip this step 3 and step 4 for now, and we just need to click on save and close. Now I am back to the same case record and I will refresh this case summary. Now you can see the summary is updated with the follow-up and resolution date. In this way we can add the other required fields based on our business need. Now you are seeing this case summary in a paragraph format, but if you want it to be in a more structured format, that is also possible. For that, again we need to go to the same productivity summaries page. Again we need to click on this manage data, and in this again again in this 4-step process we need to go to the last step, that is step 4. And here you can see currently the paragraph format is selected. Now I will select the the structured format. Once I click on structured, we will get these much options: issue, troubleshooting steps, outcome, error code, root cause. So here whatever required, you can select those subheadings. If something is not needed, we can unselect it. And then I will click on save and close. Now if you come back to the case record, you can see the structured case summary. You will see the issue, troubleshooting steps, outcome, error code, and root cause. For this summary, for Copilot to generate this structured summary, you need to have the relevant data in your case record and in the related records. The issue is coming, the summary for issue is coming from the case title and description, and this troubleshooting steps summary is coming from the related notes. Outcome is also coming from this case description. Error code is coming from the notes. Root cause is coming from the notes. So likewise, we need to have the correct data in our case record, and once everything is there, then Copilot will be able to generate this structured case summary. I hope now you understood the complete end-to-end process of this case summary in Copilot, how to enable this feature and how to add data fields for this summary, and how to change the display format of this case summary. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will see how to enable the conversation summary in D365 customer service. Thank you for watching.